Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming carrier support and ensuring your phone is unlocked. This matters because provisioning happens on the network side. Once done, gather the QR code or the manual SMDP plus and activation code. These identify your Esim profile. Make sure to connect to a stable Wi-Fi and charge the phone above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Now open Settings and locate the Cellular or Mobile Plans section to start adding an Esim. Tap Add Plan to proceed. You'll now manually enter the profile if QR scanning isn't used. First select Add Cellular Plan and then enter details manually. This lets you type the SMDP plus address and the activation code provided by the carrier. Enter any confirmation or PIN when prompted and confirm the download. This step downloads the carrier profile securely. After installation, label the Esim, Work or Personal, and choose which line handles cellular data and voice so calls and apps use the intended plan. Finish by restarting your phone to register the new profile on the network. This helps ensure proper carrier provisioning. Once rebooted, check signal strength and the carrier name, then make a test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify data. If something fails, make sure the SMDP plus and activation codes were entered exactly. Toggle airplane mode to force re-registration, and if needed, contact your carrier with your device, EMA, for remote activation assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.